Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder EAS&Weather here with your day 1 fire weather outlook. We have a critical fire weather area today that encompasses northern half of Arizona, southeastern Utah, much of Colorado, and northwestern New Mexico. Cities in the critical fire weather risk area today include Flagstaff, Arizona, Grand Junction, Colorado, Farmington, New Mexico, Prescott, Arizona, and Prescott Valley, Arizona. So, and there's an elevated fire weather area today covering southeastern California, southeastern Nevada, far northwestern and southern half of Arizona, parts of Utah, south central Wyoming, parts of Colorado, and parts of New Mexico for the elevated. So, in synopsis, a long-wave upper-level trough will persist over the Intermountain West today, with one embedded shortwave remaining relatively stationary across the northern high plains, and the second shortwave trough pivoting southeastward through Nevada and portions of the Great Basin. Concurrently, an associated mid-level jet will continue to be oriented across the Four Corners region, while a surface cold front remains relatively stationary along the western edge of the Colorado Plateau. This will promote a third consecutive day of enhanced and dry, breezy conditions across portions of the eastern Great Basin and southwest today. Four Corners region. A quarter of sustained southwesterly surface winds of 20 to 25 miles per hour plus, with gusts of 35 to 40 plus miles per hour and minimum relative humidity values of 5 to 15%. A forecast this afternoon from northern Arizona into southeastern Utah, western and southwestern Colorado, and northwestern New Mexico. Forgive the sneeze. With this multi-day period of dry and breezy conditions exacerbating fuel and dryness and receptiveness, ERC is noted in the 80 to 95% plus percentiles. And the anticipation for poor overnight relative humidity recoveries. Relative humidity is noted to be lingering at or below 15 to 25% across portions of the Four Corners region as of 05:30 UTC. Several hours of critical fire weather conditions with the potential for localized, extremely critical conditions are expected this afternoon across much of the Four Corners region and Colorado Plateau. A broader area of elevated fire weather concerns is also forecast across adjacent areas of the Great Basin and Southwest, where winds of 15 to 25 miles per hour will overlap low relative humidity of 10 to 20%. Only minor adjustments were made to the drawn areas with this update to reflect the latest guidance. Recent guidance also suggests that the shortwave trough rotating through the base of the longer wavelength troughing will contribute to a southward surge of the cold front closer to the Four Corners region later tonight. For areas that experience this frontal passage, some relative humidity recovery and a shift to northwesterly winds can be expected, with a couple-hour period of sustained 10 to 20 mile per hour winds possible. So, that's your day 1 fire weather outlook. Stay safe and vigilant in these areas today. If I were you, I would gather supplies immediately, such as food, water, clothing, toiletries, medical supplies, a flashlight, a cell phone, phone chargers, extra batteries, and a battery-powered radio in the event that you need to evacuate on a moment's notice, because fires can start and spread quickly. Please avoid outdoor burning in these areas today. Because all it takes is one little spark for a fire to start and spread quickly. Do not throw cigarettes on the ground. Even if they're not lit, because 1, that's littering, which is illegal and unsafe and can result in fines, and 2, all it takes is one little spark for a fire to start and spread quickly. And make sure your cigarette is fully out before throwing it away. So, stay safe and vigilant in these areas today. And I'll have my day 1 severe weather outlook very soon. Take care.